All right, out here today doing a hike up Picacho Peak. All right, so if all goes well, we'll end up at the top there shortly. There's the rest of the crew there. Just giving them space since I talked to myself. Where the camera? Oh, they spotted me. All right, up we go. Oh, tour guides up here.
Craig's supposed to be the tour guide. I don't know why I'm tour guiding.
You're a tour guide. You got the orange shirt. High vis.
See the honeycomb? Zoom in.
Okay, let me zoom in.
Say GoPro zoom.
That's the.
What if you do this in front of the lens?
Here's the zoom. It goes like this.
Oh, nice.
It's break time.
I had asparagus for dinner last night. Delicious.
We have interesting conversations on these hikes.
That's not a judge.
What's going on down there?
I want to do what he does for a living. It just makes sense.
It's Craig's dream job. It was hard to read.
All right, we're at the saddle now. Oh, influencer guy.
We did it.
Now there's the backside of the mountain.
We made it. Where? Oh yeah, that lady said there's another trail that comes up. Gonna like
Your natural skin's
Run it.
like jump and slide.
I wouldn't put past.
Actually, these gloves are making a humongous.
Yeah. They are.
Oh. I did not like that. There was a rattlesnake.
There's a big fella. He's like a 6-footer.
And you can't.
All right, Trent's gonna narrate us through this. How do you do
I
this?
need to see your feet.
Me? I've never been here. Trent's supposed to be doing this.
Oh, well, I'm gonna go this way.
And try. It's the way down. Good job.
Oh, I like a pirate squirrel.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on over here. Oh.
There we go. We got it. I got it.
I'm thinking about it now. I was like, oh, they wanted to see like a tumbleweed and some reclaimed wood. And that's not how it works. But yeah, that's over there. Scared my dad. That's why he's so leathery, weathered.
Yeah, I know.
Wrinkles, stuff. There's a lot of sun.
Better hike up? I really don't know.
Like the zoom. I mean, I've always been scared of them, but.
Happens every once in a while. It's going to keep the music up.
There you go.
That's why I'm constantly talking.
That was just a sick beat.
Yeah.
We're not
there yet.
Never mind. Keep getting ahead of us.
You'll know when we get there because I'm going to hear you. Definitely not.
I think your friend's after. My friend is okay.
All right, we're to this cable section here that goes up.
Yeah.
Why'd they even need the cables? Like, I don't know. What the hell?
Not, I mean, we know you don't need them, but us regular people.
Us closed-toed people.
Yeah.
Covered toe.
All right, here we go.
This is what we came here for.
We trained for years for this.
We paid $7.
I can see how getting down is kind of annoying.
Just like a mountain goat.
Thank God you did.
Oh. Got my grunt there at the end.
So much fun. I like it the way the cable makes you smash
Oh,
your
yeah.
knuckles on the
It was a nice touch.
Can't get away with it.
Yep.
Come on down. We're going to wait here. Oh, no. Oh, okay. All right. Come on down.
Well, I really wish I brought your rippy shoes. Should have brought my. Get out of there.
Or 3. We're going to do hopscotch. Leapfrog over each other.
I think that sounds like a good plan.
I mean, it's not going to end well, but it'll be hilarious.
As long as we get most of it on camera. Good.
Most, at least 5 out of how many people.
Hey, it's Heather.
Yes. You want me to make the hashtag?
It was a beautiful apartment, don't get me wrong, but it's still 600 square feet.
Ah. Nice little rail.
I hear that and all I think is like,
Sunglass.
Put it in your trasheroo. those gloves are working good.
Those are very good.
Gloves are the
Good call. Also, those are super cool gloves. Thanks.
I will open toe kick you.
I saw you down there giving directions, so. What are you saying?
If you
Don't
glance over it,
keep an eye on the edge right
you
here.
can feel it in your.
Oh yeah, that's just silly.
It doesn't just go down; it goes in too. That'd be a
So
good
the wind will suck you in there.
base.
All right, we're here.
Made it happen.
Is this a good spot down here? All right, yeah, we're on the way down, which is pretty much the same as the way up, but backwards.